Hey guys, welcome to another level 1 MCAT viewer question. Haven't done this in a while, but here we go. Basically what we've got is we've got one of these age questions, trying to figure out what the age is. The way I'm going to work this question is kind of show you guys the now and the past. So I'm looking at now right now. So we've got a couple of things that we need to remember. So the father is actually 4 times older than his daughter. So this is now. So, and I'm going to put create like a little table here so that you guys can actually see what is happening. So if the daughter's age right now is X, then we know that the dad's age is actually 4X. So that's what now is. Our next statement is 5 years ago. So 5 years ago means we've got now, and then below it, I'm going to write down 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, the daughter, if she's X years now, then 5 years ago, she will be X minus 5. And what we've been given this information that 5 years ago, the dad was actually 9 times older than his daughter. So this was the daughter's age 5 years ago, which means 5 years ago, the dad's age was 9 times whatever the daughter's age was 5 years ago. So I hope you guys can kind of get that. That's what it is. Now there's one other information that we also know. We could actually write dad's, some of you might have done this. You might have actually seen dad's age, which is 4x right here. And you might have said, okay, if dad's age is 4x right now, then 5 years ago, dad's age is also 4x minus 5. All right, so what we essentially have done is we've actually created two equations that are equal to each other. So there's kind of like two ways to look at this. The 9 times x minus 5 comes from the daughter's age 5 years ago. That's where the 9 times x minus 5 comes from. And as for the 4x minus 5, well, we've got 4x, which is his age right now, which means 5 years ago, his age is 4x minus 5. So whatever those two expressions are in the red box, they're actually equal to each other. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go 9 bracket x minus 5 equals 4x minus 5. Then what we have is we're going to expand the brackets. We're going to get 9x minus 45 equals 4x minus 5. And we're going to rearrange it. So we're going to bring the 4x to this side, which means it's going to become minus 4x. Taking the 45 to the right-hand side will become from negative 45 to positive 45. And then 9x take away 4x is 5x. And of course, all of this is equal to minus 5 plus 45, which is 40. And then we can see that x is equal to 40 divided by 5, which actually gives us that x is equal to 8. So x was the daughter's age. So daughter's age is, so we can actually say daughter is 8 years old. Now it's a really good idea to actually go back and check out your answers to see if they work out. And I'm going to write this in a different color. So if daughter was 8 years old, then dad is 4 times 8, which is 32. Seems all right. That means 5 years ago, the daughter was 8 minus 5 is 3 years old. And 9 times 3 is 27. And 32 minus 5 is also equal to 27. So that's how we know that we've actually done the right calculation. Guys, that is basically it for this short little video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, just drop them in my email or on one of my socials. And when I get some time, I'll try and get an answer out to you. Cool, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.